Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable the glide typing on your POCO phone. So first I'm gonna show you the glide typing. You can see that I can just type in without pressing the buttons. Instead I can slide across them. Just like that. But if you want to disable it for some reason, you can go to settings, then go to additional settings, languages and input, and now you can manage keyboards. Click on the name, not on the on button, but on the name, then glide typing, and you can disable that. From now on, whenever I slide across the keyboard, it doesn't work. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.